Dermal fillers really play a very important part of facial rejuvenation. And again, this goes back to just the distribution of volume in the face that has been associated with a youthful appearance. So as we look at younger individuals, we find that their cheeks are full, their jawline is defined, and this is really where a filler comes into play. It really helps to restore volume as well as improving fine lines and wrinkles throughout the face, whether it be around the mouth or in the forehead or even in the cheeks themselves. So there are a variety of dermal fillers, each with all made up of a kind of a collagen-based material that helps to improve those areas. The difference between the variety of fillers has to do with either their feel or how long they last. So some fillers are shorter lasting and are good for certain areas of the face, while others such as Sculpture are longer lasting and act via different mechanisms, but all really are serving the same purpose of improving the facial distribution to make you look more youthful in appearance.